Welcome to Be Fluent, Speak English Fast, Learn English the Easy Way. I'm here to help you speak English naturally and confidently. Whether you're a beginner or just want to improve, you'll find easy lessons, real conversations, and smart tips. So relax, smile, and let's talk easy English. What you'll find here: daily English speaking lessons, real-life conversation practice, grammar tips made simple, vocabulary with usage examples, pronunciation help and listening exercises, fluency challenges and quizzes. Subscribe and join the journey. Polite requests, using could. Polite English tip: use could to sound polite. Want to sound polite in English? Use could instead of can. For example, say, "Could you help me?" instead of "Can you help me?" Try it now, and sound more natural. Thanks for watching today's lesson. If you learned something new, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below, and tell us what you want to learn next. New lessons every week. See you in the next video. Subscribe, learn, speak.